What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I've had a couple of comments and questions about invert plates and a few other custom builds that are going on. So to clear some stuff up, back in December of 2017, I got my 3-in-1. Started making plates. I've pumped out a couple of hundred sets of invert plates at this point in time since 2017. Everything is manual on the 3-in-1. And I make them for anything. This is an '07 KX 450. I put a gnarly amount of rake in. I pulled the wheel back 3 inches with this set of plates. There's nothing I can't do. I've done big reds, 250Rs are commons, Tri-Zs are common, big wheel Tecate 3s are common. Done it all. You guys got problems, questions, comments, let me know. I've been doing this stuff for a while and got quite a bit of knowledge on it. These are all by hand. There is nothing CNC about it. They are all custom built as per build. So if you need a TT set, they're going to be designed different than a motocross set. Now, we're moving over to Tony's Big Orange. And as you can see, we do a lot of stuff by hand around here. This is the last piece that will be bolting into his rear end for a support bracket. All done with a cutoff wheel. 4.5-inch grinder, a template, a scribe, and a lot of patience. This is stuff I do every day. There's nothing big or hard about it. Like I said, you guys got some kind of problems, questions, comments, projects going on that you need help with, let me know. It's what I do. That stuff that other people say can't be done, well, we try and make it be done. I've looked at a bunch of other extended rear ends for these big reds, and everybody's kind of got their way of doing things. I decided that I'm going to take a few different ideas, combine them, and make my own kind of extended swing arm. I am making swing arms for these conversions, like that KX conversion, custom subframe, custom swing arm, Tony's KTM conversion, custom swing arm, custom subframe. We don't mess around here. These aren't bolt-on kits. Each one of these is individually made. This is a custom stretched drive shaft for a 13-inch stretched big red rear end. Here's the Big Orange. That's the rear end that's going in it. Still got to rebuild the shock, but that's one of the last things that's getting done on this thing. Looks pretty good from up top. You can see all the other trikes and other crazy stuff going on in the shop. We're going to be using a 200X rear shock with custom adapters and a custom mount. And this is the stretched drive shaft going in the stretched rear end, just like butter. Put it in there, wiggle it around, goes down. Look at that. We got a spinning rear end. That's what I call success. I'll see y'all in the next one. Really appreciate the views. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, get that subscribe button smashed, comments, and see ya.